until 5:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, West Central Prince William County in Northern Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Linton Hall, or 12 miles southeast of Warrenton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for East Central Fauquier County and West Central Prince William County in Northern Virginia. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors. In addition to some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations impacted include Linton Hall, Manassas, Nokesville, Catlett, and Ayden. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.